Hey, YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja. On this channel, we talk about making money online. It could be through leads from jobs, it could be through tools, apps, software, it could be processes, uh, anything that has to do with making money online, making money on the internet, having income from the internet. This is the channel for you. Today's video is going to be a job review, and it comes to us from this particular company that's hiring remote workers. But before we get into the details, I'd like you guys to just hit the like button, share this video with someone who's looking for a job online, especially during this pandemic, and subscribe to this channel. Uh, I pump out videos once a day, every day. Alright guys, so your input, your comments, questions, input, likes, shares, subscriptions help greatly. And if you haven't noticed before, if you're new to the channel, then if you check the links in the description below, they are links to free webinars that teach you how you could earn money online, that you can use to earn money passively, even if you're sleeping, even if you're out driving with your family, if you're going to your families or friends to visit. This thing uses apps, software, leverages the power of the internet to be earning you money even if you're not sitting at your desk. So check those out, and we'll get into this job lead for you real quick. Now this lead comes to you from CenturyLink, and they are hiring a work at home consumer representative. Okay, so this was posted on September 4th, and they are looking for people to work remotely from these states. Okay, so this is a US only lead. My apologies for those people who live in Europe, Asia, and places like those. This is for the US only. Okay, now about CenturyLink. CenturyLink, which is listed on the New York Stock Exchange as CTL, is the second largest US communications provider to global enterprise customers. With customers in more than 60 countries and an intense focus on the customer experience, CenturyLink strives to be the world's best networking company by solving customers' increased demand for reliable and secure connections. The company also serves as its customers' trusted partner, helping them manage increased network IT complexity and providing managed network and cybersecurity solutions that help protect their business. Now, the role you're applying for, they want to hire the best, top performing employees who take pride in taking care of their customers. Taking care of our customers means listening, taking swift action, and offering products that meet their customers' needs. Oh, yeah, and you get to work from the comfort of your home. You will love it here. By the way, this position pays between 13 and 15 US dollars per hour. Okay? So, what they're looking for: you should have a passion for resolving our residential customers' issues and for ensuring that our products and services meet and exceed their needs. Limiting yourself to just fielding incoming calls would be unimaginable for this customer-facing role. We hope that you are comfortable doing everything from listening to customers, identifying resolution of their issues, offering new products and services, and ensuring we ultimately have highly delighted customers. Now, what we offer: the ability to work from your home office, a culture that is built on employee and customer first mentality. This means that safety and doing the right thing drives all our decision making. Now, the benefits: you are hired as a full-time benefits eligible CenturyLink employee with benefits effective on the 31st day after the date of hire. So if you're hired on the 10th, you get these benefits effective the 31st. Okay? You get a comprehensive portfolio of benefits that's offered to you and your family. So you get medical, dental, vision, 401k match, life insurance, etc. You can enjoy a robust wellness program promoting a healthy lifestyle and providing you financial as well as emotional assistance. You can tap into tuition assistance after 1 year of tenure. Okay? So after a year, you can ask for financial help if you're going to college or if you want to further your studies, like getting your master's and so forth. Alright? If you are available, overtime pay is offered when available. So if you're hired now to work 8 hours, don't go 10 hours thinking you can claim for it if it's not available. Wholesome compensation package consisting of base pay plus uncapped sales incentive pay. Emphasis on uncapped. Now, the main responsibilities: receive, listen to, and respond to inbound calls from CenturyLink residential customers. Show care to each customer by using patience, attentiveness, willingness to help while being professional and showing respect. Build and maintain strong customer rapport. Perfect the customer experience by providing superior service. Resolve the customer issue on the first call without transfer, while utilizing various support groups via chat or other multitasking abilities. You consult with customers to determine their wants, interests, and needs. Recommend the best solution to enhance the customer's experience, which may include selling additional services or right sizing services to drive customer loyalty. Advise, consult, multitask, and problem solve with your customer, which includes complaints and general calls about service, billing, payment, and other service related issues. Meet required customer service and sales performance objectives by determining the best customer experience solution on every call. Use various computer systems or screens simultaneously to process sales and service orders. Maintain and improve speed, accuracy, and quality results by adhering to standards and guidelines. Update job and product knowledge by participating in educational opportunities. Data entry with speed and accuracy. Other duties. Please note this job description is not designed to cover or contain a comprehensive listing of activities, duties, or responsibilities that are required of the employee for this job. Duties, responsibilities, and activities may change at any time with or without notice. Training will begin in October 2020. So they're applying for the month of September, and then they're going to be starting training in October 2020. Now, the training hours are Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. for 6 weeks. After training, the hours are 12 to 9 Eastern Standard Time. The center is open 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sunday, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, so during the week, it's 8 to 9. It's Monday to Friday. Then Saturday, it's 10 to 8, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then on Sunday, it's 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now, what they look for in a candidate: ability to meet and exceed monthly sales quota, quality oral and written communication skills, strong customer focus, excellent punctuality and work attendance history, proficient in utilizing multiple computer applications and databases, experience in an inbound or outbound call center, ability to handle a high volume of phone calls in a structured environment. Must be flexible to work various shifts, including Saturdays, where there's a mandatory 5-hour shift, evenings up until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and holidays as necessary. Your schedule is published well in advance so you can balance work-family life. You should have computer literacy, positive attitude with a sales mindset, and successful completion of assessment is required for consideration in this role. You will be sent an email with a link upon completion of your application. Assessment need to be completed as soon as possible so next steps can be considered. Preferred qualifications. Not a must, but preferred. Prior sales experience in a customer-facing environment or commission-based position. Experience in an inbound call center environment. 6 or more months of customer service experience. So what to expect next? US work from home, work at home. Okay, so they're shifting towards just a work from home situation. Now the EEO statement: we are committed to providing equal employment opportunities to all persons regardless of race, color, ancestry, citizenship, national origin, religion, veteran status, disability, genetic characteristic or information, age, gender, sexual orientation, gender identity, marital status, family status, pregnancy, or other legally protected status. Collectively protected statuses. We do not tolerate unlawful discrimination in any employment decisions, including recruiting, hiring, compensation, promotion, benefits, discipline, termination, job assignments, or training. Now the disclaimer: the above job definition information has been designed to indicate the general nature and level of work performed by employees within this classification. It is not designed to contain or be interpreted as a comprehensive inventory of all duties, responsibilities, and qualifications required of employees assigned to this job. Job duties and responsibilities are subject to change based on changing business needs and conditions. So, as it says, this is a customer service rep position, a call center rep position, work from home, call center based job. And if you're interested in earning $13 to $14 working for this company, click the apply now button, fill the information in, and hold on to your pants or skirt or whatever you're wearing. Right? So if this sounds like a mouthful and you want to do something that's simpler, not necessarily easy, this company is called CenturyLink. So if you go to CenturyLink.com, search for that, go to the website, scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see careers. Click careers, you'll see it listed in careers. Or like I said, if you want something simple, not necessarily easy, but very simple to do, where you leverage the power of the internet never sleeps, apps can't get tired, it works while you work. Check the links in the description below. They are affiliate links, and should you choose to opt in, this channel earns a commission. We would greatly appreciate it, but if not, enjoy the free webinar. You still get to learn something that you probably never heard of before. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. I hope you guys continue to stay safe, and all the best with finding a job working from home online. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.